What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck in Desert Titanium. And today is going to be a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at ESR. They gave us the Hollow Lock Tough Case and this camera control button with the actual kickstand that also doubles as camera sensor protection. So definitely something different from ESR. This is more on the protective side, guys. So if you like a really nice protective case, you run around with your phone, you drop it a lot, things of that nature, something that's really going to add some triple layer protection, you might want to check this out. Now, this is called the Cyber Series, and it's designed with MagSafe. Also, you get a military grade drop protection. So something that's going to really actually protect your device in the drop if you're somebody that's more clumsy or just somebody that like a more protective, the insurance of a protective case. This is something you might want to try out. As you can see, exceeds 7 times military grade protection, foldable stash stand. I call it a kickstand, but as you can see, it's just a small kickstand that you can use, put your phone in landscape type mode and watch some content. Take a quick look at the back, and as you can see, 1500 G magnetic lock. So it just means strong MagSafe. Again, we got the kickstand and 3 layers of protection. So really dope drop protection on this case from ESR. Let's go ahead and cut this tape. Let's get the case out like so. So we got a couple cards from ESR and also a warranty. So that's definitely really dope. Any company that backs their products, that's a good sign. So here we got the case, guys, the Cyber Series. Really good looking case, a multi-layer design. You got a hard polycarbonate outer, and then you got a soft type thick TPU inner. Adds a lot of drop protection. As you can see, we got a MagSafe ring around the back. We actually got the camera protection here, and this doubles as a little kickstand, guys. You can see right here where the arrow is. This is where you're going to lift up on a kickstand. This is basically TPU in the corner, nice and bolstered up. A lot of times when you drop your device, it's going to drop on the edge, so the corners are ready to absorb the drop. Same thing down bottom, nice protection. It's got like a bolstered up TPU on every edge, ready to cushion that fall. A big part of drop protection is grip, and on each side you got grip. Right here you got some ESR branding. You got your button press, your volume control, all made out of TPU. This is the TPU part of the case. So you actually got your volume rocker and you got your action button here. Again, on the side, you got some nice grip. You actually got a camera control button on here, and you got the power button made out of TPU. And down bottom, you got a cover for your Type-C. This is a nice protective case here. Now we got my iPhone 16 Pro in the case, guys. And look how protective this thing is, guys. Around the edges of the display, you got a nice raised up TPU that's going to cushion the actual fall. If you drop this device on a flat surface, the edges is going to take the impact and not the screen of your iPhone 16 Pro, which may save you from cracked or shattered glass. Nice raised up lip. This case adds a lot of protection, but it's not too bulky in the hand. Still like a medium-sized case, not very big and bulky at all for the amount of protection that it offers. Now, I will say the button press is a smidge tough because this is some thick, tough TPU, and there's really no slits in there, so it's a smidge tough. You got to make sure you press that button down good. Not a super easy button press. Now, here you go, guys. Nice and protected. Look how deep my camera sensors are behind this actual camera protection area. And at the same time, we can lift this camera protection area up at many angles and use it for a kickstand. So it just worked like so. You just sit it down and you got your kickstand to watch some content. And the camera control button works pretty well, guys. It's a nice capacitive button for camera control. But as you can see better with the phone and the actual case, guys, these are some nice bolstered up corners of TPU for drop protection. Now, shout out to ESR. They also sent me out this 10,000 milliamp power bank I had for a while now. Very dope, little screen on it, things of that nature. But I'm gonna use it to actually just test the MagSafe strength really quick. So I'm just gonna put this ESR power bank on the back of the phone, and I'm gonna pick it up. I'm only holding the power bank right now. I'm not holding the phone. The phone not falling off. It's nice and on here, nice and tight. And normally I don't do this with power banks, but it is nice and strong, guys. Good magnetic strength, like they said on the box. But this is the ESR Cyber Series. And this thing is all about protection for your iPhone, guys. Want a nice protective case? I definitely put a link down in the description. Thanks for watching the video. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.